Wow, earn $750 a week. Yeah, that's right, $750 every week. Let me show you how. Type on Google Apex Focus Group. Click the first link displayed. Apex Focus Group gets you paid for your opinion. Scroll to the bottom, you have Apex Market Research Services. Namely the focus groups, clinical trials, and paid survey panels. Scroll further down and you see the market research opportunities are over 1,000 and over 800 active participants. Click on this button to apply. You can see participant can earn $750 weekly. You can read on the details here, no experience needed and good job benefits. Compensation from $35 to $75 and $350 to $750. Click on the button to apply and fill the profile registration info and submit. You have more, click on Focus Group, here displays the topic, company, payout, you can earn $125, $300, and even $400. What you waiting for, hurry up and apply. Like and subscribe for me video on Side Hustle with Iffinance.